Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the area. Cleanse your face and neck so the balm can absorb and blot dry. Once done, patch test 0. 5G on your inner wrist for 24 hours to check sensitivity. Next, measure a conservative amount, 1-2 pumps or 1/4 teaspoon, to avoid overapplication. Apply to fingertips now. Warming the balm between fingers improves glide and release of aromatics. Make sure to avoid eyes and broken skin, because the product is concentrated and works best on intact, clean skin. You warm the balm 5-10 seconds between your palms to loosen oils and activate scent molecules. Then, starting at the temples, sweep outward and down along the jawline. Follow with a light pat across the sternum to encourage diaphragmatic breathing. Once done, use gentle, outward strokes rather than rubbing vigorously. This minimizes irritation and spreads an even layer. Make sure to keep pressure light and avoid eyelids or mucous membranes. If you're sensitive, dilute with a neutral cream at a 1:1 ratio before applying. You finish by timing and storage. Apply the balm 15-30 minutes before bed to allow inhalation and skin absorption to take effect. Once done, close the container tightly and store in a cool, dark place to preserve volatile compounds and extend shelf life. If you notice redness, burning, or rash, wash the area with mild soap and water. If irritation persists, stop use and consider a 1% hydrocortisone cream or contact a clinician. Make sure to reassess dose next night to reduce reactivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.